Airway Trailer Installation, LoadMaxx Plus and QuickLoad Plus. Tools required. Section 1. Mounting the scale. Determine the best place to mount the scale. Hold the bracket in the location you will mount it. Mark the trailer surface through the holes in the bracket with marker or chalk. Using the marked areas as a guide, drill the 1/4-inch holes into the surface of the trailer. Secure the scale to the bracket by using the provided bolts and rubber washers. Insert one bolt and washer on each side through the holes in the wings and tighten. Make sure to put the rubber on the bolt first. Apply provided blue Loctite on threaded bolts. Feed the power cable and Airline to the back of the scale. Plug the power interface cable into port 1 on the back. Insert the Airline into the scale. Secure the bracket to the trailer surface. Connect the scale's power extension cable to the ABS-T breakout. Route the power extension cable along the frame of the trailer toward the location where the scale is installed. Section 3. Installing the Airline and brass T fitting. Detach the Airline connection from the top of the most convenient airbag. Apply Teflon tape, then thread the brass T fitting provided in your trailer kit into the top of the airbag and tighten securely. Then thread the existing Airline fitting into the top of the brass T. Run Airline and the power extension cord down the frame of the trailer. Insert the Airline. Secure the cable to the frame using zip ties. Make sure to clip off the ends of the zip ties. Coil any excess cables so it's up and protected. Section 4. Checking the installation. With power to the trailer, touch the scale screen to turn it on. Select the wrench icon. Select the medical bag icon. Press down arrow until you see the AD readings. What your AD reading should reflect. Your scale is now installed.